Okay friends, welcome to the second video of JavaScript objects, and let's look at the object properties. Alright, we have a little bit theory going on in this video, so just bear with me, try to understand what I'm trying to explain. I'm going to cover properties, object properties and object methods. Okay, so supposing you have this example here, you have a property called first name, last name, age and eye color, and you could have a property value of John Doe 50 and blue, and it could be anything else. It could be Abby, okay, and last name could be Smith, and age could be 42, and eye color could be brown, okay, and so forth. So an object person could have a property first name Abby, which with a value of Abby, property last name with a value of Smith, with property age with a value of 42, property eye color with a value of brown. So you have the properties listed as name, value, okay, and these are called properties. For example, you have age 42. Isn't this how we write? Okay, and the objects are written like this. For example, if you have a var person, you would write first name double colon Abby, okay, comma, last name double colon Smith, Smith, comma, age double colon, okay, there is no, since this is a number, I should not have treated it as a string, so age is 42. Okay, let's delete this so that it makes more sense. Age is 42 and comma, eye color, okay, eye color double colon brown. All right, is that clear? This is how you're going to write a complete statement for the object. Remember, an object is also a variable type, a data type, okay, so you could say variable person or variable object which is person is equal to with the following properties, and properties are written as name of the property and its value, name of the property, value, name of the property, age, value 42. Okay, now let's look at methods. We're just in the theory section right now. I haven't started with the examples. Okay, let's look at methods. Okay, there you go. These are the methods. So methods are nothing but JavaScript objects are containers for named values called properties or methods. Methods are actions that can be performed on objects. Okay, methods are stored in properties as function definitions. So full name function is going to be return this dot first name, okay, and there is a space between them, and this dot last name. So this is how you're going to return this function. Okay, first name John Doe 50, eye color blue, full name. Full name is going to be a function, and you're going to be calling full name. You could also say full name with brackets here. Instead of function, you could write full name, okay, and within this function you're going to define return this dot first name and this dot last name, and this is nothing but the object mentioned in this particular block of code, which is person. Okay, just like we mentioned in the last example. Let's look at an example here. Okay, I've saved this file. Save as, all files, .html. Yes, and let's find this file, objects3. There you go. Okay, creating a JavaScript object. Person.firstname is Abby, is 42 years old. Okay, I could also say that person.last name. Let me try that. Okay, last name, okay, is, has, person.color, eyes. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, save and simply refresh this file. Smith has, oops, undefined eyes. Why? Let me check. It's supposed to be brown. Eye color. There you go. I made a mistake here. I have to call it with the same name. Eye color. Okay, it because person.color, it says undefined because color really was not defined. Okay, let me save and refresh. Smith has brown eyes. Okay, so okay, let's look at another example in which you define an object. Okay, open up the doctype tag, doctype HTML, and oops, okay, doctype HTML. Open up the HTML tag, body. Open up the paragraph tag and say creating a JavaScript object. Okay, period. Close the paragraph tag. Okay, paragraph ID is equal to demo. Close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag and say var person is equal to, hit enter and open up the curly bracket, hit enter, hit tab. First name, okay, let's say Susie. Okay, and it has to be a string. Okay, there's a different way I'm going to write down, but it doesn't matter how you write it as long as the syntax is correct. Comma, hit enter, tab, last name is, okay, Smith again, and comma, hit enter, tab, and say age. Okay, I'm trying to align this properly. Age is, no inverted commas, 39. Okay, and hit enter and tab and say eye color. Okay, there you go, eye color is black. Okay, no commas here, just hit enter and close the curly bracket and end of statement marker. Then you need to say document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to, this is what's going to be displayed, person dot first name plus inverted commas space is inverted commas space inverted commas plus person dot age plus inverted commas space years old, period, inverted commas, end of statement, and the script here, as well as the body and HTML. Okay, it's amazing how powerful your code can get with simple words. Okay, I'm going to save this as objects 4 and also as an HTML file. .html, save, and let's find it. There you go. Okay, Susie is 39 years old. So this is further defining your objects, calling them and defining them with the name colon value association. Okay, all right, with this I'm going to end this video, and in the next video, JavaScript Objects 3, I'm going to talk about how you can assess properties and how you can not declare Boolean and strings as objects, and many more things. Okay, so I have a lot of exciting stuff, and plus of course exercises. So stay tuned and I'll see you shortly.